Morning, welcome to today's lecture. Before I start my class, let me ask you a few questions, simple questions. Okay. When we hear about any legendary kind of stories, classical based legendary kind of stories, so many questions will arise in our mind, like in what manner usually these stories or poem ends up and why, right? Yes. So here is a beautiful play written by William Shakespeare. Here it's a beautiful play written by William Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet. So in this extract from the play Romeo and Juliet, William Shakespeare describes the intense love of Romeo and Juliet, which they express through their speeches, where by using various figures of speech. Where in this poem, Shakespeare brings out the feelings of passionate lovers, right? Where when we hear, the moment we hear the names of Romeo and Juliet, the moment we hear Romeo and Juliet, the thoughts will come in our mind, like are they true lovers? Are they divine lovers? Like, are they the role models of true love? So many questions will arise, right? Where now, when word across, we see that the people talk about such lovers like Romeo and Juliet, Salim and Arkali, Devdas and Paro. So many plays are there where the people can able to mesmerize these kind of plays, right? Well, so it's a beautiful poem written by William Shakespeare. We'll look into the background and the characters, how many characters will arise in this poem and what the protagonist will do in this poem, antagonist will do in this poem. We'll see to that. Where the background of this poem is all about the two families, the two noble families, where Varna and the Capulet and the Montagues were sworn enemies. These two families were sworn enemies, where Romeo and Juliet belong to these rival families, right? Well, one fine day, old Lord Capulet hosted a supper, grand supper. Though Romeo belonged to the family of Montagues, he just wanted to attend the supper. Why? Because he was in deep love with Rosalina. Why Rosalina belongs to Montagues family? So Romeo was not invited for the supper. So, but still he just want to attend the party. Why? He just want to see Rosalina. He was in deep love with Rosalina and he just want to see her. So when he attended the party, when he attended the grand supper, he saw Juliet on the dance floor where she was dancing there beautifully. He saw her. So he just felt that he was like fascinated by her beauty. So after the dance, he learns that she belongs to the rival family. So she was the daughter of Montagues, and he got to know that even Juliet was in deep love with Romeo, and after that she got to know that even he belongs to the rival family. So in this poem, these two, Romeo and Juliet, express their love towards each other beautifully. Where Romeo expresses Juliet's beauty in what way, and Juliet in what way she expresses his beauty. So we'll see in next class. Thank you.